Hello everyone, now I'm going to explain you the sixth experiment for UNIX Lab, which is of bank management system and the library management system. So library system, here is my code. So in this we have to create a user-defined function. So I've created an add function. It's simply you need to define the function name along with some parentheses, and you just have to start with the parentheses and just define your function according to the condition. So in add I give the number of books, and using the number of books which I want to add, I use the for loop and enter the title and year and everything. Then the same thing as search, I enter the title. If I want to search it using the title, I use search t user defined for function. So I just take the file, the name title, read it from the input and search for in the array of title. If the title is found, and I give all the details of the book, and the same goes with the author, where the title is replaced with an author. And bb gives the name of the book. So if I want to search the quantity of the books that needs to be needed, so I enter the book name and the quantity of the books that has to be needed, and I'm going to print if that book is available or not. If the total number of books that I need are less than the availability, then I'm going to print the book is not available, else I decrease the number of books in the array with the number of books I've took. And using the display function, I'm going to display all the contents of the file. So return book is the same thing, and I'm going to add the number of books which are there, and I'm going to add the number of books. So here is my menu I created. In this we use the switch case, which is the same as in other programming languages. Here we use the case keyword with the variable followed and the in keyword. So one bracket resembles the value that we give, whatever the variable value. Imagine if it's a 1, the statement which is written between the 1 and a double semicolon, those things will be read. So if I want to call in any user-defined function, you're just gonna give the function name without any parentheses or anything, and it just calls the function. So here is my first program. I'll just run it for you. Bash book management system. I'll add a book. I'll add UNIX. Do you wanna? I'm sorry. So bash book management, add a book. I'm going to add only one book. So enter the title UNIX, year 2017, Mr. Shivan, and total number of books is 1. Do you want to continue? Yes. So I'm going to search with my title. Title is UNIX. So I'll find the book. If the book is there, it's going to give me all details. 0 to no. So here is my program. The next program is about a bank management system. So here you define three functions. One is to withdraw, deposit, and check the balance. In the withdraw function, if the amount that I'm going to withdraw is greater than the current amount, then I'm going to print that there's insufficient balance in the account, else I'm going to reduce the current amount with the withdraw amount and then display the current amount. And the same goes with the deposit. I'm going to add the deposit account with the current account balance. To display the balance, I'm just going to simply display the balance. So using case, I'm just going to do it, and I'm just going to call the functions. Here to use an argument, I'm going to call the function name, give a space, and I'm going to pass the variable. So here to take an argument from the user, so I'm just going to pass the withdraw amount, and I'm going to withdraw this much amount. The same goes with the deposit, and if I want to give the balance, I'm going to call the balance. Thank you. So I'm just going to run it now. Bash bang.sh. So I'm going to withdraw how much amount? 399. My current balance is in. I'm going to exit. I'm sorry. So withdraw 399. So and I've got the balance. Sorry. Amount I want to withdraw is 200. The deposit to 798. So I've got total balance 0, and the total amount is this. So thank you.